As the 40-day-long harsh winter period, which is locally known as Chile Khalan, starts in the Kashmir Valley, one can clearly see that Kashmir is in deep freeze. Now, these are unprecedented cold conditions. Last many years, while it was cold, but nowhere close to the kind of harsh extreme temperatures we are witnessing across Kashmir Valley right now. I am on the banks of the famous Dal Lake, which has partially frozen. I'll ask Tariq to show you, while there are shikaras here, but if you go on that side, you'll see a thick layer of ice that has enveloped the Dal Lake. Now, it has been slowly each night the freeze is increasing, and if IMD is to be believed, these cold conditions are going to prevail. In fact, they're going to get further aggravated in the coming days. Already new lows as far as minus temperatures have been recorded in the Kashmir Valley. Srinagar has been constantly hovering around -5, -6 degrees Celsius, and while this in fact is a challenge for the locals, for the natives, but as far as tourists are concerned, they are enjoying. We'll try to speak to some of them. Ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. So this, tell us about the experience. I mean, obviously, वहाँ ठंड होता है, but I don't think इस level का और it comes close to this.
Exactly. यहाँ पे तो actually it's in minus degrees, and वहाँ पे usually we go lowest to 3 or 4 degrees maybe. But it's very wonderful to experience such type of winters in Kashmir. Like
And the ice, I mean, the iced Dal Lake, there's a thick sheet of ice.
yeah, it's very cold, and we are just clicking the pictures and enjoying the views here.
And you from?
इटावा।
Etawah. So it's the first time in Kashmir?
हाँ, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है कश्मीर।
तो आपने जो है दिसंबर क्यों चुना आने के लिए? ठंड के लिए ही, ठंड देखने के लिए?
स्नोफॉल के लिए।
स्नोफॉल के लिए। लेकिन ये जो नजारे हैं, मतलब डल फ्रीज का सुना था आपने कि आइस लगती है डल के ऊपर?
हाँ, सुना था पर देखा कभी नहीं, आज फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं।
तो कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा।
ये बताइए कि ठंड का क्या लेवल है? क्या लेवल देंगे? आपने कभी ऐसी ठंड देखी?
नहीं।
इतनी जबरदस्त ठंड।
हाँ, लेकिन इस ठंड में मजा आ रहा है।
मजा आ रहा है। तो कितने दिन अभी कहाँ घूमना है?
हाँ, हम लोग घूम चुके हैं, 7 डेज का था हमारा, आज कंप्लीट हो गया है। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं वापस।
राइट। आप बताइए, आप कहाँ से?
लखनऊ से।
आप भी लखनऊ से। तो ये बताइए कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ?
It's really great. I've been once, मतलब like 10 years ago I have come here, and this is the second time. So, yeah.
But why did you plan in December to witness this cold?
Yeah.
So how cold it is? I mean, if you have to explain, I mean, have you seen this kind?
Very cold, very cold.
And how's have you ever seen this kind of these kind of visuals where there is a thick sheet of ice?
No, yeah.
So as you heard them, this is literally once in a lifetime experience where they have never witnessed or felt this kind of cold. These are extreme cold conditions. Kashmir slowly is turning into a winter wonderland. While we've been saying that this is a challenge for the locals, each day is a challenge, comes with its own set of problems, from power cuts to keeping oneself warm, using traditional heating arrangements. Water pipelines are frozen, so it is a difficult time for the natives. But as far as tourism is concerned, these obviously are visuals that there is a hope that more and more tourists will come to the Kashmir Valley, because these are unprecedented scenes where you have Dal Lake, which is partially frozen. You have waterfalls that have turned frozen. You have Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and other tourist destinations that are very cold but very beautiful. So Kashmir in the grip of extreme cold. It's a cold attack in many ways, and in the coming days, if IMD is to be believed, no respite from these cold conditions, and these minus temperatures are going to further dip. New records are possible. Campus and Tariq Loan, Meet Farid, Srinagar for India Today.